In this video, we will discuss how to set up a Frontline health portal for Southfield Public Schools parents and how to submit a daily health questionnaire for your students. The desktop version of Frontline Health Portal is located on the district's website under the Parent-Student tab. You will click on the Parent and Students tab. You will then click on Frontline Health Portal Login. You will click on Activate Account. And right here, the first step is to put in the email address that has been designated in MyStar. It is very important that you use the email address that has been placed in MyStar to activate your account. After you put your email address in, you will click Send me a temporary password, and you will need to go check your email for that temporary password. Once you have that temporary password, you will put in your email address that's connected to your MyStar, and you will put in the temporary password that you just received, and then click Login. Now the next thing you need to do is update your password. So you would need to put in the temporary password you just copied and pasted, create a new password, and then you will confirm that password. Then you will click Update My Password. Your password has been updated. Click Continue to Terms of Use. Now this section right here, you will need to review the terms of use of the Frontline Health Portal. You will agree that you have read and agreed to the terms of use in an electronic service agreement. Please make sure you read the terms of use. After you've read the terms of use, you will then put your name in the box below, and then you will click on Agree and Sign. The agreement has been confirmed, and then you will look at where it says Families, and it says Assign Students to your Health Portal account. Now you need to connect your child with your Frontline Health Portal account. You will click on Continue to Assign Students, and then this next part you would have to assign your student or students to your account. You'll put in the student's last name, their school ID, and their date of birth. Once this is completed, you will click Add this student. And then if you need to assign an additional student, you will put the last name, ID number, and the birth date in again. Once you are finished, click I'm done adding students. Your account has been activated. You are now ready to use the Frontline Health Portal. So once you see this, click on Take Me to Frontline Health Portal. You are now in your Frontline Health Portal dashboard, and this is where you will come every morning to fill out your information if you're using the desktop app. Click on Event, and this is where you will answer your 4 questions. As you can see, there are 4 questions with only yes answers. If any of these questions apply to you, click yes. If they do not, skip the question. As you can see, there is no listed. So only if these questions apply to you will you click yes. After that, you would have an I acknowledge that I have answered all the above questions to the best of my knowledge. You will click yes. You will then come to this next screen and it will say health check cleared. You are cleared for today. If you did answer yes to any of the questions, it will read health check not cleared. Thank you for watching this Frontline Health Portal video tutorial on the desktop app. Please look for another video that will detail the instructions on how to access the mobile app.